Students, in this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus. I am doing quadratic equations. First two exercises I have completed. In this class I will be doing exercise 4.3. So in the first two exercises already whatever we have learned, that only we did again. That is splitting the middle terms method. Using the splitting the middle terms method we found the factors. Now this one is completing the squares method. Okay, so this is a new one for you. So please listen carefully. Okay, so 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. As I told you earlier, three methods are there to find the factors of the given quadratic polynomial, given quadratic equations. So first one is splitting the middle terms method, second one is completing the square method, and the third one is quadratic formula method. Okay, so this is the second method, splitting the middle terms method. So first step is whatever coefficient you have for x square, with that coefficient throughout it has to be divided. That is the first thing. There should not be any coefficient, only the coefficient should be 1. Accordingly you have to divide it. So whatever number you have in the coefficient place, with that you divide it. The meaning for this is, if you divide this by 2, this 2 will get cancelled. Okay, so accordingly you have to do. So before doing that, you take this whole number, you take this constant term to the other side. So first step is 2x squared minus 7x is equal to minus 3. So first step is only x coefficients, that is x squared and x coefficient should be here in one side, and the constant term you have to take it to the other side. Then second step is whatever coefficient you have in x squared, whatever coefficient you have for x squared, with that coefficient it has to be divided throughout. That is, for all the three terms it has to be divided. So divide by 2. This is the thing we are going to do now. So 2x squared by 2 minus 7x by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So if I divide it, what I will get? X squared minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now after this only listen carefully. So this is x squared minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now you have to add half the coefficient of x. You have to add half the coefficient of x by adding you have to add the square of half the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of x. Half the coefficient of x on both the sides. You have to add the square of half the coefficient of x on both the sides. What is the coefficient of x here? You ignore the sign here. Whatever sign is there, you ignore. Only the 7 by 2 you take. So here 7 by 2 is the coefficient of x. For this, you have to write half the coefficient of x. So what is half the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 7 by 2. What is half of coefficient of x? Half of coefficient of x, that is 7 by 4. I will tell you why to write that. Okay, adding square of half coefficient of x on both sides. If I add like that, I will get x squared minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 the whole square. I will get 7 by 4 the whole square. If you are including this negative sign also, no problem. I am including it. Since it is negative only, no problem in that adding. So is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. On both the sides, whatever you are doing has to be done. So one more time I will explain. This is 2x squared minus 7x is equal to minus 2. That is, I am taking this constant term to the other side. Then, the whatever coefficient you have for x squared, with that number you are dividing throughout. So, when I divide it by 2, here 2 is there, so I am dividing it by 2. So, when I divide it by 2, I get x squared minus 7 by 2x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then, next step is, we have to add the square of half the coefficient of x. Half the square of half the coefficient of x on both the sides. So, half of the coefficient of x is, here it is 7 by 4. So, minus 7 by 4 the whole square. I am adding on both the sides. So, why I am adding like this is, I need to get this LHS in the form of either a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Okay, I have to get LHS value, LHS the whole term as a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? What is the formula? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so here when I expand this, that is, if I take this as x minus whatever I am adding, just I am checking it now. So, x minus 7 by 2 the whole square. If I expand this, I will get x squared minus 2 into a into b. 2ab. Okay. Plus b squared. B squared is this square. Okay. When I simplify this, what I will get? X squared. This one will get cancelled. Minus 7 by 2x plus minus 7 by 4 the whole square. Am I getting the same thing here? So, this is x square minus 7 by 2x plus minus 7 by 4 the whole square. So, this I am going to rewrite it as x minus 7 by 4 the whole square. Understood now? So, this is for this step is very important. Half of the coefficient of x. You do it in the rough column, then you write that particular number. If you are doing mistake in this, since this is a fraction, it may be confusing. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2, half the coefficient of x. So, half coefficient of x. If you do it, simplify it and write it again, it will be easy. So, this one, this is of the form x minus 7 by 4 the whole square. Understood? So, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you write half the coefficient of x only, you can write it in a minus b or a plus b. Here you have negative sign. So, it is a minus b the whole square. Okay. Is equal to, this one has to be simplified. Minus 3 by 2 plus, since it is negative, there won't be any problem. You are doing square only. So, 7 7s are 49 by 4 4s are 60. 49 by 60. Then next one, we will simplify this. So, if we simplify this one as it is, LHS is as it is, x minus 7 by 4 the whole square. There is no change in this. This side we will simplify. 16 is the LCM. Okay, so 2 8s are 16. So, 8 3s are 24. Minus 24 plus 49 by 60. So, x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to minus 24 plus 49 will be 25. 25 by 60. Okay, now you find the square root of this on both the sides. Square root. Finding square root on both sides. So, if you find the square root on both sides, this square will get cancelled. I will get x minus 7 by 4. Okay, if you take the square root of this, x minus 7, this square and this root will get cancelled. So, this one I will get root of 25 by 60. So, that is, I will get, since it is inside the root, I will get two values for that. So, that is plus or minus 5 by 4. Now, I need to get two values for this. So, one is, so if you take it as plus 5 by 4, x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus 5 by 4 is one value and x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4 is another value for x. So, this one you simplify. So, x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. This is 12 by 4. So x value will be 3 here. And here this side x is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So this is equal to x is equal to 2 by 4 you will get. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So these are the two values of x. So this one is splitting the middle terms. Sorry, this is the method of completing the square. So you are completing a square here. You are making a given thing to complete a square and then you are finding the value for x. So for this sum, x value is 3 and 1 by 2. Next sum is same model only, method of completing the squares. So 2x squared plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So first step is you have whatever coefficient you have for x squared, it has to be divided. So here dividing by 2. So we are having 2 as the coefficient of x squared. So dividing throughout by 2 and bringing this constant term to the other side. Simultaneously we do. So 2x squared by 2 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. Okay. So now after simplification I get x squared plus 1 by 2x is equal to 2. This is the next step. Then we have to add the half of the coefficient of x. X squared plus 1 by 2x. You have to add the square of the coefficient. Square of half the coefficient of x. Square of half the coefficient of x. Okay. So square of half the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So the same thing you are doing it to the other side also. 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. So this is x squared plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4. 2 2s are 4. 1 by 4 the whole square. So this is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 the whole square. Okay. So this is a plus, here you have positive sign. So a plus b the whole square. So x plus 1 by 4 the whole square. Okay, is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 4s are 16. So if I simplify this, 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33 by 16 I will get. So I get 33 by 16. So this side it is x plus 1 by 4 the whole square. So when I find the square root of this, I get x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus or minus root 36, sorry, root 33, correct only, 33 by 4. This is the answer. Okay. So two values for x is x plus 1 by 4 is equal to plus root 33 by 4. This is one value. Then the next one is x plus 1 by 4 is equal to minus root 33 by 4. So x value will be root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So this one when I simplify and write my root 30, since 4 is the denominator, it is Light's fraction. So root 33 minus 1 by 4, that is one value for x. So same way here also minus root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So this will be minus root 33 plus 1 by 4. So one value of x is plus root 33 minus 1 by 4. The other one is minus of root 33 plus 1 by 4. So these are the two x values for the given question. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. So I have completed completing the square method. I have completed. Two sums I have completed. So the remaining sums I will do it in the next class. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.